Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick one small, useful problem and commit to it. This prevents overwhelm. Once chosen, compare platform strengths, web building versus automation versus databases, and pick one to learn deeply. Make sure to collect assets now: a logo, sample CSV, and any API keys you need. Start a free account, open a blank project, and create the first page or workflow. That first build teaches more than tutorials, so jump in and iterate quickly. Once the skeleton exists, map the user flow step by step so you know what to build next. You should create a simple UI element, wire it to your data source, and run a test of a single path. This confirms assumptions and surfaces errors. Then add logic, conditions, validations, and basic styling for clarity. As you do each change, test immediately. That feedback loop speeds learning and reveals platform quirks you need to master. You finish by polishing user experience. Add clear error messages, loading states, and mobile checks so users don't get stuck. Deploy and monitor logs or analytics to catch issues early and collect user feedback for rapid fixes. If something breaks, isolate the failing step, reproduce the bug in a copy, and roll back if needed. This method prevents new errors. Finally, iterate on performance and automation. Small, focused improvements keep the product stable and your skills growing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.